Okay, so the really nice thing about these simulations, it's really good fun. It allows you to alter things. I'm going to show you about things, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to set it up and things like that. The so you start by pressing play, and you come to intro and you come to lab. And we're going to do the intro first. You can try the lab afterwards, but we're going to do the intro. And I'm only going to do the intro, and I'm going to talk to you about keywords to do with evolution and natural selection. And I'm going to use this for it. First of all, you've got little bunny bun buns. All right, little bunny bun buns is Billy No Mates and all by her Paul Owens himself. So I'm going to add them here. So these guys are now going to reproduce, and that's called a generation. Now, I have got unlimited food. So that's generation one, and it's going to keep going up. Now, rule one about evolution, there has to be variation, differences. There are none. So what I'm going to do is at the top here, you can add a mutation. Don't worry about dominant and recessive, but we're just going to change the fur color, and some of them are now going to be brown. Now, so first thing, variation. There we go. We've got some brown ones. The second thing after variation is natural selection. And there's two types of natural selection. One is predators, right? I'm going to add the wolves. Bunnies have taken over the world. Oh, I got too many bunnies. Oh, I'm going to start over. So I'm going to add them. I left it too long because I've got an unlimited resource. There was too many of them. So I've added them here. Now we've got some brown ones. And I'm going to put a natural selective pressure. That means something's going to kill them, and it's going to be wolves. Now, the wolves are going to predominantly eat the white ones because they stick out. The brown ones are camouflaged, and the white ones are going to get eaten. There they go. Most of the white ones disappear. The brown ones are fine. And they'll keep reproducing, and every now and then, Wolfie McWolf's going to turn up. Right? Oh, my population is not very big. Oh, go on, get a bit bigger. I'm just going to turn the wolves off for a bit. I need a few more rabbits. Right? I don't want to go extinct so soon. But now I'm also going to change the weather. Is now no longer summer. It's now winter. And now the opposite is true. The brown ones are in danger. The brown ones stick out in the white snow. The white ones are now camouflaged. All right. So as you can see, this is what you call evolution. The genes for the brown ones are now wiped out. All right. But some are still going to evolve. Oh no, it's summer again. Now the white ones stick out. Please get me a brown one, or all my population is dead. No, I've got no brown ones. The wolves are coming. Oh no, leave one of them alone. Oh, well, I think I'm not going to get past generation 10. I think the wolves are going to eat all my bunnies. Oh no, one bunny left. One bunny can't reproduce. There's no way. My rabbits are extinct. All the bunnies have died. So, this is evolution, and it's a really lovely way of looking at it. All right. That is what you guys are doing. Now, I did the same thing with year 9, and she got to 67 generations. So I want to introduce you to two things: the fun that we can do with simulations, and these are computer programs, and you can do all sorts of things. You can build your own. But also that aspect of science that isn't just you need to learn the words. Yes, you do, but it's not just that. This really teaches me a lot in terms of survival of the fittest. The bunny rabbit that fits the environment best. So when it's brown ground, the brown bunny rabbit fits the environment the best. You'll also notice if the environment changes too quickly, the rabbits go extinct. That is true for all life. If the environment changes too quickly, the species goes extinct.